It's time once again for another episode of That's So Charlie. This is part 2 of our skiff restoration and replacing the decking.
Making the template for the decking. Measuring these twice. Got the, make sure I had the right circumference for the areas. Kind of messed this one up, but I fixed it, so we're good to go on that one. Then the recessed image here, all the holes are lined up now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this and put it on top of the decking and trace out everything there. So we're going to make sure we put that decking out in the heat, get it warmed up so it's nice and pliable for the installation.
And this is where I just had to take my time and be very exact, not rush it, and make sure I got the cuttings just right and as smooth as possible.
It's almost like a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, almost there. Alright, now that we got the template cut out, we want to just check things out, make sure everything lines up as the template did. Good. Everybody's good. Awesome. Alright, now the only thing we gotta do is clean it up, prep it up, make sure it's perfectly clean, hit it with a little bit of acetone on the bottom on the paint and let it dry really well. Air dry that so it's good. Then we're gonna do a half method where we're going to set it down in one spot, flip it over, and then the next portion down. So, this way it's doing it in 2 different steps, and we should be good to go. All right, remember to hydrate.
That is so Charlie.
Hey guys, here we are. Got it down. I didn't record us laying it out because I forgot. That's all there is to it. So what I did was basically just going over it a bit, rolling pin towards the edges, air bubbles. What we did was prep, washed it down, and then hit it with acetone, wipe that down, acetone, just to strip just to completely prep the surface. I'll give you a little close-up of how it looks and how it came out. Go. All the holes pretty much lined up really good. I mean, there's a couple, little fudge there, but no big deal. And all the way to the back, lined up nice. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this turnout. We're looking forward to more progress on this, and so I think the next part is going to be to paint the color. I'm going to match it up to the that aqua color, that boat brand, and I have a formula that I got for ChatGPT to mix this color and in the gel. Anyway, that's what we got for today. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to like and comment, and stay tuned for more progress. We'll talk to you soon.